Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the King Jelly for the Element Rod quest. One of the quests to unlock the Element Rod is catching a secret fish in Ancient Jungle, like this. This one. And then on this Ancient Jungle, there are two secret fish. This one. And one of them is King Jelly, like this. And based on my experience, I got King Jelly by fishing right here on this bridge, and then just facing these directions like this. So if you are struggling, just definitely try fishing at this exact spot. And to increase your chances, make sure you use your best rod and bait, like for example gas fin or maybe bamboo rod. And for the bait, you can use a singularity bait or maybe curve bait, and you can also use a luck totem, or luck potions like this to push your luck even more. And okay, maybe that's it. Just good luck and hope you get the King Jellyfish. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.